Hello and good morning everyone. Welcome back to Kotak Securities Market Ready Session, जहां हम आपको global and domestic updates, technical and fundamental strategies, as well as important sector and stock specific news provide करते हैं to help you make your investment decisions and kickstart your trading session. तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट्स अपडेट्स के साथ। SGX निफ्टी राइज कर चुका है 0.15% से, इंडिकेटिंग अ माइल्डली पॉजिटिव स्टार्ट फॉर द डोमेस्टिक मार्केट सेशन हियर। प्रीवियस सेशन में BSE सेंसेक्स 1181 पॉइंट से चढ़कर 61,795 पे क्लोज हुआ है एंड NSE निफ्टी 50 321 पॉइंट्स ऊपर 18,349 पे क्लोज हुआ है। ग्लोबल मार्केट्स की बात करें तो मॉर्निंग सेशन में एशियन मार्केट्स मिक्स ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, जहां निकाय गिर चुका है 0.5% से, हैंगसेंग इंडेक्स ऊपर है 3.89% से और शंघाई इंडेक्स 0.4% ऊपर ट्रेड कर रहा है। यूएस इंडेक्सेस की बात करें तो जहां डाउ जोन्स में राइज रजिस्टर हुआ है 0.10% का, S&P 500 इंडेक्स 0.92% ऊपर क्लोज हुआ है एंड नैस्डैक इंडेक्स भी 1.88% ऊपर क्लोज हुआ है। अब बात करते हैं कि डोमेस्टिक टेक्निकल लेवल्स की। Our research team believes that technically the index not only crossed the short-term resistance of 18,300 but also managed to close above the same, which is positive. Bullish candle and range breakout formations on the daily and weekly charts are indicating further upside from the current levels. 18,200 to 150 levels will now act as a major support zone for the traders. If the index manages to trade above this, it may move towards 18,500 to 600 levels. However, an uptrend below 18,150 would be weak. The strategy should be to buy on dips. However, it is equally important to reduce positions around 18,500. A decisive break of 18,500 would send Nifty beyond 18,604, which is an all-time highest level of the market. Coming to fundamental calls from our research desk, आज हम रिकमेंड कर रहे हैं एजिस लॉजिस्टिक्स के स्टॉक को with a buy rating at a target price of rupees 405 per share, implying a potential upside of 25.84% from the current market price. Let's discuss the positive rationale behind this call. Company's performance was in line with expectations in Q2 FY23, with all the divisions contributing well during the quarter. Our research team estimates that the company's liquid division is likely to remain stable over financial year 2022 to 2025 estimate. We also expect earnings to grow by 19.5% in FY24 estimate and by 10.2% in FY25 estimate. Company's LPG logistics throughput volumes were also strong at 8,32,000 metric tons. However, there is one negative factor to consider. That is, company's LPG sourcing volumes have declined to 22,800 metric tons from 23,000 metric tons on a quarterly basis. To receive daily fundamental and technical calls, you can also subscribe to our research SMS service. The link to subscribe is on our description box below. Finally, coming to sector and stock specific news. सबसे पहले हम Q2 FY23 रिजल्ट्स के बारे में बात करेंगे। आज ONGC, NMDC, अपोलो टायर्स, आरती इंडस्ट्रीज, ग्रासिम इंडस्ट्रीज, बायोकॉन, बालकृष्णा इंडस्ट्रीज, भारत फोर्ज, माइंडस्पेस REIT अपने क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट्स अनाउंस करेंगे। हमारे रिसर्च टीम ने एस्टिमेट्स निकाले हैं that ONGC is likely to post sales growth of 60% on a yearly basis. However, the company is likely to register a 2% fall in its net profit. Meanwhile, Apollo Tyres is likely to post yearly growth of 17% in its sales and a 17% rise in its net profit. अब बात करते हैं सेक्टर एंड स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक न्यूज की। Moody's Investor Service has lowered India's 2022 economic growth projection to 7% from 7.7% earlier. It said that downward revision assumes higher inflation, high interest rates, and slowing global growth to dampen economic momentum by more than previously expected. For the current year, Moody's had cut India's growth estimates earlier in September to 7.7% from 8.8% estimated in May. Data from CMIE, that is Center of Monitoring Indian Economy, showed that over 8.5 million salaried jobs were added during September and October 2022. This took the total number of salaried workers in India to 85 to 86 million, with the highest addition in urban salaried jobs. Adani Power has entered into a memorandum of understanding with Adani Connex, that is ACX, to sell its 100% equity stake in the subsidiary Support Properties for rupees 1,556 crore. On Friday, DCX Systems Limited, which recently concluded its IPO offer, made a stellar debut on the stock market. The stock was listed at rupees 287 apiece, which was a 38.6% premium against its issue price of rupees 207. आज 14 नवंबर पावर ग्रिड कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया के इंटरिम डिविडेंड का एक्स डेट है, which is of rupees 5 per equity share for the financial year ending 31st March 2023. That's all for today. अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा, then don't forget to hit that like button and do share this video with your family and friends. For more updates on stock specific news during the market hours, आप कोटक सिक्योरिटीज को टेलीग्राम पे फॉलो कर सकते हैं. इसके अलावा you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on other social media platforms, for which links have been provided in the description box below. Thank you for watching and have a good trading session.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related